Swagbucks, Mistplay, and InboxDollars all pay users for completing simple online tasks, but they don't pay the same way or for the same kind of activity. By the end, you'll know which app fits your daily habits best, so you don't waste time on the wrong one. Swagbucks is the most flexible option. It pays for surveys, watching ads, shopping online, and basic offers inside the app. That flexibility is the main reason people stick with it. If you like switching between tasks instead of doing the same thing every day, this is the easiest entry point. Mistplay is different because it only focuses on mobile gaming. You install games, play them, and earn points based on time spent and in-game activity. That makes it more narrow, but also simpler. If you already spend time gaming on your phone, Mistplay turns that time into rewards without changing your routine. InboxDollars sits closer to Swagbucks, but it leans heavily on paid emails, surveys, and small online tasks. The experience feels more structured, with less variety in activities compared to Swagbucks. It works best if you prefer clear task lists instead of browsing multiple earning options. Now the important part is how they feel to use day to day. Swagbucks gives you the most options, but that also means more time deciding what to do. Mistplay removes that decision-making completely, but limits you to gaming only. InboxDollars keeps things simple but can feel repetitive if you rely only on surveys. Payout method also matters. All three apps use gift cards and cash-style rewards, but availability and redemption options can vary depending on region and account status. That's why checking what rewards are actually available in your account matters more than just reading general lists online. If your goal is maximum flexibility, Swagbucks is the strongest all-round option. If your goal is passive gaming rewards, Mistplay is the most focused. If you want a straightforward task and survey system, InboxDollars fits in the middle. None of these apps replace real income, but they can work as small side earning tools if you use them consistently and stick to the tasks you actually enjoy. The fastest way to choose is simple. Pick the app that matches what you already do on your phone instead of forcing a new habit. Swagbucks for variety, Mistplay for gaming, InboxDollars for simple task lists. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more real comparisons and earning app breakdowns.